being self-isolated in my guest room. I can't even see my sick daughter. And I was feeling so bad because I felt like I'm the one who actually brought this virus to the house. And it was so bad that I had to be calling her on a video, checking out for her and all that. And the next day, I think my wife did something very courageous. What she did was she asked to pick our daughter from her room and held her, took her to the master bedroom. And she called me. She started crying. I said, what happened? She said, I can't leave this girl alone. I did rather be infected, but I have to, or affected, but I did rather be with her. So 5-6 days time, my daughter was pronounced negative. When she was pronounced negative, we knew it wasn't going to end there. The next day, Lola became positive. So it's been hell. I don't know how to say it, but we had a bad experience. I just want to tell everyone out there that this COVID-19 is real. Don't take it for granted. I'm happy to announce that my wife, myself, our daughter, and 2 of our domestic staff, all of us are now negative. For those who have noticed during the draws of last 2 weeks and last week, everybody suspected. People knew I was sick. I've lost a lot of weight, which is good. And I just want to say, thank God that we're alive. So guys, be safe out there. COVID-19, coronavirus is real. God bless you guys. Thank you.